Welcome to Lexis Advance India. When you first land on the homepage, the first thing you'll notice is the prominent, bold red search box. This is your starting point for all your research. From here, you can type in your search terms using natural language, Boolean operators, or even specific publication. You can even search for cases by entering the party name, making it easier to find the case you're looking for, especially if you're focusing on specific litigants. As your search results populate, you can filter them further by jurisdiction or even by timeline, ensuring that the results are tailored to your specific needs. Each case result shows a snippet of the case, along with key details like jurisdiction, judgment date, and more. This allows you to quickly assess the relevance of each result. Additionally, Lexis Advance India uses color coding to highlight the best extract in the document, showing you exactly where the most relevant information is found. This makes it easier to navigate through lengthy documents and pinpoint the crucial parts of the judgment. In the case details, you'll find the full judgment, including key headnotes that summarize the most important points. You also have access to the original copy of the judgment, ensuring you get all the information you need for your research. Want to narrow down your search further? You can filter your search to specific courts like the Bombay High Court or the Supreme Court, ensuring you find judgments relevant to the jurisdiction you need. Within the Bombay High Court, you can also narrow your search to specific benches like Nagpur or Aurangabad. Once you navigate to a specific bench, you'll see all the relevant cases from that bench listed in one place. Let's say you're looking for homicide cases. But not just any homicide cases. You're focused on Maharashtra. Simply click the Everything dropdown. Here, you can narrow your search by jurisdiction. Want to refine it further? Select content type, cases, legislations, commentaries, or even by legal topics such as criminal law, etc. Just like that, you now have a focused list of homicide cases from Maharashtra. With Lexis Advance India, narrowing down your search is fast and simple, making your legal research more efficient and accurate. Find what matters most. Lexis Advance India. Your research, your way.